about qualifying for tax credits, we can help. Here's a look at how the ERC could help your business. What's the ERC? The ERC, Employee Retention Credit, is an IRS refundable tax credit based on a percentage of the qualified wages you pay your employees. It's government funded and was created to help business owners weather the economic hardships of the COVID-19 pandemic. It came from the CARES Act of 2020, just like the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP, and the Economic Injury Disaster Loans, EIDL. But the ERC is even better for business owners than those programs. Why? Unlike the PPP and the EIDL, the ERC doesn't require business owners to pay the money back or spend it in a certain way. Recovery Startup Business Definition. Based on the American Rescue Plan Act, a business that opened during the COVID-19 pandemic may be eligible to receive the credit. The qualifying factors include: you started a business on or after February 15, 2020. Your annual gross receipts don't exceed $1 million. You employ one or more employees. Will my business qualify? The application process for a recovery startup business is relatively straightforward. Some essential criteria include: 1. You must employ one or more employees, not including family or owner. 2. You began operations on or after February 15, 2020. 3. Your gross receipts total under $1 million for 2020 and 2021 individually. 4. You must not be eligible under any other ERC requirements. 5. You paid employees during the third and fourth quarters of 2021. New business startup owners. If you started your business during the second quarter of 2021, you aren't eligible to claim any credits for 2020 or the first 2 quarters of 2021. However, businesses that meet the government restriction criteria or new revenue reduction may be eligible for credit for earlier quarters. What can my business claim? The ERC for 2020 is 50% of all qualified wages you paid your employees from March 12, 2020 to December 31st, 2020. There's a limit of $10,000 in wages per employee for each quarter. For 2021, the available credit is for 70% of qualified wages you paid your employees from January 1st, 2021 to September 30th, 2021. There's a set limit of $10,000 in wages for each employee for any quarter. This means you can claim up to $7,000 per employee per quarter. The maximum allowed credit is $21,000 for each employee. If your business is deemed a recovery startup business, the total credit allowed is $50,000 per quarter. Any wages you paid through December 31st, 2021 are eligible. You are no longer limited to wages you paid by September 30th, 2021. A recovery startup business is one that began operating after February 15th, 2020 and has annual gross receipts not exceeding $1 million. How to claim ERCs. Although the program ended in 2021, business owners can still claim ERC. You can claim this credit by filling out Form 941 when you file federal taxes. Some businesses don't realize they qualify for the credit. If you received a Paycheck Protection Program loan, you may still qualify. If you received approval for loan forgiveness, you cannot claim the credit for employee wages that you paid with a PPP loan. If you received a denial for loan forgiveness, you can use wages you paid from a PPP loan to claim the ERC. If you have already filed your taxes and now realize you are eligible, it's not too late. You can apply retroactively by filling out the Adjusted Employer's Quarterly Federal Tax Return, 941-X. At ERC Today, we work with companies nationwide to help them maximize their employee retention credit. Contact us today to see how we can assist you.